have got Chef Leslie from Asian Inspirations in the kitchen, and the colour on this table, my gosh.
So colourful, Lara,
So
just like
colourful. I've dressed like a mango today, even though we're not cooking with mangoes.
Perfect.
Actually, I'm dressed like a yellow capsicum. There we go.
Good on you, Lara. Today we're doing Chiu Chow-style chili clams.
Yum.
Oh, it's just so good. It's very colourful and easy to done.
And so simple. And the one thing I love about Chinese cooking, which we've been talking about in Hong Kong style cooking, is how quick it is. But there's so much flavour. Just because it's quick, it doesn't mean there's, it's not packing a punch. So you've got lots of sauces that are just going to take this dish from something delicious to something extremely delicious.
Yeah, actually the crumb is very popular dish in Asia, in China.
Yes.
And sometimes we're doing it as a soup.
Yep.
Even though a branch is appetizer
Yep.
or as a hot pot. But today we're doing very special, stir fry.
Stir fry. Well, and you know what? They're so quick and easy to prepare. You don't have to do much to them.
Yes.
And once they open up, it's ready to go. Let's do it. All right, you lead the way.
Oh, thank you.
The train is yours.
What I'm doing now, so now you get the hot water. So open the hot water.
Beautiful.
Look at the steam. Wow.
Beautiful.
So what I do now, you put it inside for 4 or 5 minutes.
Beautiful. Okay, so
put
straight in. I love it.
How can you remove all the muddy taste? Because it's from the sea.
Correct. And they get sandy and gritty. Yes.
What you do, I got like beautiful ginger here.
Yes.
Just slice it.
Just casually slicing.
Yeah, casually slice.
Very fancy chef skills.
Okay. Put it inside here.
Beautiful.
And also
spring onions.
Spring onion.
Yes. So this is going to add flavour, but then also help to drag out all those impurities from it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What's important now with all the ingredients, so ginger and also the spring onions can remove all the unwanted taste.
Yes. Okay.
And also they clean it. All the sand, all the muddy taste will be gone.
Amazing.
It's perfect.
That's a very good tip. And in 4 minutes, we're going to have clean, fresh, perfectly steamed blanched clams, and then they go into the wok.
So at the time now, they blend 4 minutes. We start cooking for our sauces.
Done. Let's do it.
So now turn on the heat. Most important when you cook the wok, make sure you get hot enough.
Yes, a very hot wok.
How do you do it? Sometimes, don't put your hand on it, of course. You burn your hand.
Tip number 1.
And you can see the smoke coming out.
Yes.
Or use a hand just over on the top.
Yep, and you'll feel it.
Yeah, I think so. It's hot now. Can you feel it for me now?
Oh,
I think it's hot now, right?
It's getting spicy.
It's
and
good.
It's just going to get hotter and hotter.
Of course. Now I
love it.
You put oil in it.
Beautiful. So nice neutral oil.
Just vegetable oil. And then now we put a dao seed, a black bean.
Okay. So black beans just from the jar?
Yeah, just the jar. And also put the, like this one, garlic and ginger. Look at the smell.
Already.
Oh,
like
beautiful.
Instantly.
Oh, look at that.
Now, the key with stir fries, I always say this, is you have to be prepared. Everything needs to be cut, except for, you and your little ginger and shallots over here. But everything needs to be cut, ready to go, because the idea of a stir fry is that it comes together very, very quickly.
So now we do a beautiful Lee Kum Kee sauce. The next one we do a Lee Kum Kee Chiu Chow-style chili oil.
So we've got the Lee Kum Kee Panda brand oyster sauce here, and then you've got the Lee Kum Kee premium soy sauce. So you're going in with like the best sauces, 3 really, really good sauces.
Wow, look at that.
This is fast, furious cooking. I'm very excited.
It's like dancing on the table, right? You're dancing on the wall. Right, it looks so good.
I love it. I love
now
it.
You add this one in it.
Capsicum.
Capsicum in it. That's the color.
Beautiful.
So now you can see already been 4 or 5 minutes. So what you do now, I just string the clam and put it in.
Straight in.
The clam, they cook, they're good and nice.
Yes.
It's not open by themselves.
Correct. So if you ever have an unopened clam, mussel, pipi, just get rid of it. Just to be safe.
Look at that.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Wow. All open. Okay. Just straight in.
Ooh la la.
Wow.
I love it.
Quick toast, okay? Let's do it.
All right, go. Wow. This is fast cooking. Wow. You're just dancing. I love it.
Dancing, okay. And now what we do, get it hot.
Yep.
And then we put a little bit sugar.
Yep.
And
salt.
And salt inside. What do you put the sugar? I'm going to make it funny in taste.
Yes.
Just like sweet like you today, Lara.
So we've got the sweet, the saltiness, the spice from all the beautiful sauces. So you need to balance that.
Yeah.
And then you've got your corn flour and potato starch, just in a little slurry here. I'm just going to mix that.
And then we'll put it in.
All of it?
All of it. And
all of
done.
it. I'm going to give it a good mix because it's a bit stuck. And then that's going to help to thicken the sauce.
Wow, look at that. Oh, looks so good.
Beautiful.
And now what we're doing now is we just cook for 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, just like I said.
The calm.
Combine,
The calm.
The fun part already done now, we can relax and enjoy the meal.
Amazing.
That's what you're doing at home. So you get everything done, and last minute, with all the Lee Kum Kee product, it makes so easy.
I love it. So we'll do a little quick clean down, we'll come back, garnish on top, and then I can eat. Love it.
Okay, now we turn it on, and then we clean it up. We put the plate ready to put on a plate to
Yes,
enjoy
chef.
it. So now, okay, now you see they're all combined.
Yes.
All the sauce already done.
And it's thickened because that
Yeah.
beautiful slurry, all the flavour in one.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Turn that
So now
off.
what I'm doing now, I'll do the hard part, you do the easy part. So what I'm doing now, I put on the plate.
Okay.
And Norma, I know you're good in art.
Do you think
Can
so?
you make the magic?
I can.
now? Okay, let's do
I
it.
can. I'm scared though. You've done all the hard work.
Okay,
and
now
now
we'll
the
put it
pressure
here.
is on me to make it look good.
Look at the color, the smell, everything on the top
For me,
smells so good.
It's the sound of
Yeah.
the clam shells just clicking together.
Look at that, beautiful. Now you do the fun part, okay?
I feel like
Let the magic begin.
I'm just gonna
Wow, look at that.
sprinkle from a height.
Yeah, sprinkle from
Bit
the
of
heart.
extra chili, all the
Yeah.
textures, the crunch, and then some
Yeah.
fresh coriander.
Yeah,
That can go straight on top.
yeah. Put
Have
some,
I done okay?
put some flour here. Look at that. It's
Very
beautiful. A
fancy.
little bit of flour from on the side. Okay.
You've just made the humble Chinese
Yeah.
cooking tradition just go a little bit fancy.
Most
have it
important, put the Chiu Chow-style chili oil.
straight on top.
Yeah, Lee Kam Kee.
So you want
Yeah.
a little bit of more spice.
Look at that, beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is the prettiest bowl.
All done.
The prettiest bowl of clams I have ever seen. Should I try one?
Yeah, of course.
Well, I don't know where to
Okay,
pick it. No.
let me put it on the side.
We have to be very strategic
Oh,
here.
this one.
Are you sure? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I'll try this one. Oh, so,
I'll get this one here.
wow. Oh, so good. So fresh.
That is
Wow.
one of the easiest clam stir fries. The flavour, the umami, bit of spice, bit of this, bit of
Magic.
that. It's incredible. That is an absolute winner, Leslie. Thank you.